Welcome. Before diving into syncing our system with the cloud and exploring Fiery ColorGuard, there is one critical foundational step we need to take: protecting our data. To safeguard our workflow against unexpected disruptions or to prepare for a smooth future system migration, we need to perform a system backup. This process securely preserves our unique server configuration and printer identifiers. Let's walk through how to do this quickly and easily. First, let's capture our unique system fingerprint. Start by launching Command Workstation. Head up to the main menu and open your Server Manager. On the left sidebar, click on Server. Right here at the top, you'll see your Server Identifier. Go ahead and copy this unique string of characters, paste it into a text document, and save it somewhere secure, like your cloud drive. This is highly useful for reference down the road. Next, let's configure the actual backup file. Click on Backup and Restore just below the Server tab, and make sure your toggle at the top is set to Backup. Now we want to ensure our backup is comprehensive. We'll look at the options below and check the boxes to include our reference profiles, spot color tables, job files, printer configurations, and all active tickets. Under Backup Type, we'll keep this as a manual process. You can see the default local folder path right here, but if you prefer to save it to a specific network drive, just click Choose to alter the destination. With everything configured, simply click the Backup button at the bottom. The system will process the data, and in just a moment, you'll see a confirmation letting you know your backup file has been successfully created. Click OK, and you are all set. As a quick best practice, grab a copy of that newly created backup file and save it in the cloud alongside the server ID we copied earlier. Now that our system integrity is fully protected, we are ready to move on to connecting our workspace to the cloud. Now that our system integrity is fully protected, we are ready to move on to connecting our workspace to the cloud.